really important to know how long your meat's going to take to cook in the smoker, just because they vary so much. If you're not sure, ask your butcher when you're buying your meat. For example, now what I've prepared here, I've got a lamb shoulder that's going to take 8 hours. I've got some pork ribs which are going to take 4 hours. I've got a ribeye that's going to take 1.5 hours, and I've got sausages that are going to take 1 hour. So now I'm going to organise the meat inside the smoker. Because it is a bullet smoker, the fire is at the bottom, so the bottom shelf is going to be the hottest. And I'm going to put all the meat on the top 2 shelves because they're going to be on there for so long, I don't want them to burn. I like to use the rib rack when I'm smoking ribs, just so you get a nice even airflow around the smoker and a nice even smoke on the ribs. So after I put my meat into the smoker, I'm going to add a couple of the wood chunks. I use apple chunks when I'm smoking because I think it just pairs really well with the meat because it gives it a nice sweeter taste. So after the ribs have been in the smoker for 2 hours, you wrap them with foil, honey and brown sugar. And then after you finish wrapping them, then you want to put them back in the smoker for 2 hours.